Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Toyota Highlander key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These simple items are all you need to get your key fob working like new again. Make sure you have a clear, flat surface to work on. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of your fob. This is usually where the two halves meet. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and twist or pry carefully to separate the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic tabs inside. It should pop open with a little effort. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to how it's oriented, usually with the positive side, marked with a plus sign, facing up. Use your screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear them click or snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Toyota Highlander. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.